we are Simply Tasty Treats, and today we're going to be doing slime without glue, part 2. First, we're going to add some body wash, 4 spoonfuls. 1, 2, 3, 4.
After add some food colouring.
2 spoonfuls. This is green, by the way.
Yeah, so that means it will look quite snot.
Now it's my turn to add some red food colouring, 2 spoonfuls. Done. Mix until texture is smooth.
Don't get it look like wood.
Once smooth, put 4 spoonfuls of corn flour into your slime. I'm going to put 4 inside. 1, 2, 3, and the last one is done. Still watery like mine, as you see there. Just put a bit more corn flour inside. I'm just going to put one more spoonful in it and see how it goes. And now I'm going to mix it again. Put another one in because it's still watery. This is getting well now. When it has a floury consistency, start kneading with your hands. And that's what we're doing right now. So add some more food colouring if you want to make it darker. That's what I'm going to do. So it looks really light. I'm going to add red like I did before. I'm only putting a little tiny drop of it in. And then mixing it again. Don't forget to wash your hands. Look at these. So I'm going to put mine in the freezer for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to put my brother's in the fridge because that's what he asked me to do. So guys, my slime is in the freezer, and after 30 minutes we'll go and check if it's set. As you can see, my brother's was better because he had 30 minutes in the fridge while I had 30 minutes in the freezer, so it went hard. Here's my brother's. As you can see, it actually turned out, so I'd recommend putting it in the fridge. Just get it out.